In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Faire with Shopify. If you're a retailer looking to streamline the process of sourcing inventory from independent brands, then this integration is a must-know. With a simple setup, you'll be able to effortlessly sync products, manage your orders, and keep your inventory up to date, all through Shopify. Let's dive in and explore how you can get this done in just a few easy steps. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type in Faire Buy Wholesale. This will bring up the app that we're looking to install. It's a popular choice among retailers, so it should appear right away. When you find it, click on Add App. This will prompt the installation process. It's important to ensure you're logged into your Shopify account, as this will allow the app to integrate seamlessly with your store setup. One of the key benefits of integrating Faire with Shopify is the ability to import products directly from Faire into your Shopify store. This feature kicks into action as soon as a purchase is made. So every time you buy from Faire, the products won't just sit there waiting for you to update them manually. They'll find their way straight into your Shopify inventory. This efficiency eliminates a lot of the manual input that can often slow down operations and lead to errors. Another major advantage of this integration is the automatic synchronization of inventory and orders. What this means for you is that every update on quantities or orders in Faire will be mirrored in your Shopify setup. Say goodbye to the days of sporadic manual updates, mix-ups, and overselling products you don't have in stock. This synchronization ensures that your inventory levels and orders are always current, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on growing your business. A key factor to consider, even though this app is free to install, is that Faire's marketplace fees still apply. It's important to factor these costs into your pricing and budgeting strategy. While the installation and integration won't cost anything up front, being aware of the fees ensures you maintain a healthy margin as you leverage these platforms. With these steps, integrating Faire with Shopify becomes a smooth and manageable task. This integration not only saves you time, but allows for a more seamless retail operation. Thanks to the automatic syncs of products, inventory, and orders, your focus can shift from the mundane tasks to more strategic aspects of your business. And there you have it. A straightforward way to enhance your store's operations by bringing Faire into the fold with Shopify. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and connectivity and watch your business thrive. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos.